everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you what to do if you need to replace your monitor. So as you can see, this one's working fine, and I am going to change it out for this one right here. This is a ViewSonic. I'm not sure if it shows up on camera, but it's a ViewSonic. I got this monitor along with the HP computer. Now, I think the ViewSonic is a little nicer, so that's why I'm going to change it out. Okay, so I'm going to play a scenario here as if the monitor doesn't work, so I'm going to turn it off. Okay, so you turn on your computer, you see nothing on the monitor. Now, two situations. One, it could be the video cable came out. Number two, the monitor just does not work at all. Or three, the backlit, actually this is a front lit LED screen, but the LED light went out. So what you do in that case is you take your phone out, you go to the flashlight app, and you shine it at the screen. That's the way you can get it to work. So here's how to unhook your monitor. So here's how this works. You turn the monitor like this, you pull the power cord out, and you disconnect. I'm not sure if it's long enough. It is. So I'm going to turn the monitor backwards here, and I have this hooked up DVI. There we go. So if I take the monitor out and show you, it's all the same. So, okay, so basically your monitor's out, you have your camera, and what you do is you take one of these, and if it's dry, you take screen cleaner. This stuff works wonders. Like if you have a mark on something, it'll actually work. Just don't use it on car paint or car interior stuff. If you have a touch screen, you can use that. So, and then you clean it off as best as you can. All right, so here is what you do now. You take your monitor and always check on the back here. As you can see, it's the same. So I'm going to remove the VGA cable because I'm hooking this up DVI as well. And when I got the monitor, the VGA cable came with it. Okay, so now what we do is we put it like this. All right, we find out where all our cables are going to go. And we plug it in. Boom. All right. So, because when I turn it around, it's gonna be that way. There we go. So now what's going to happen is as soon as I turn this on, it's going to work. So you carefully turn your monitor around. There we go. All right, there we go. It should automatically switch. So check the input when that happens. And it's in there, so turn the monitor off, turn it back on. It should automatically switch over. So the cable is perfectly right. So for some reason it's not switching over. So what I can do So I'm going to have to figure out a way to do this because I know this monitor works. It should automatically switch. All right. So we take this. I'm not going to screw it down or anything because I'm only going to temporarily do it. All right, so I'm going to slide the camera over. So what I got to do now is I got to slide this cable in so that way I can use it. All right, you may not be able to see it now, but it came back up. So here's what you got to do. So first of all, I'm going to move the camera back. All Alright, there we go. So the camera's back in the proper position. I'm going to turn the monitor around. There we go. So push 1, push number 3, input select, push number 2, it's reading analog. Now, there we go. So I'm going to pull the cable out again. Okay. So it still comes up as analog. But that's fine. I'll fix it some other time. So, anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.